Go.
What's up, guys? Raph here. Today, I'm going to show you how to make something called an Easter bunny. So, what you need is an Easter bunny, a drill, some chocolate powder, a straw, and ice chocolate, and milk.
Alright,
So Dad, you explain?
so what we're going to do is we're going to pour, we've made the chocolate milk out of the milk in the chocolate, nice and healthy chocolate, and we're going to pour the milk, the chocolate milk, into the bunny, and then you'll be able to drink it from its tail. Alright, let's go. First we're going to mark where we're going to drill into the hole, and that's where we're going to put the straw. Let's drill it. Let's say there. That looks pretty good. Then we get the drill and we drill in. Let's go. Wish me luck, I'm going in.
Ay, ay, ay! Noah!
Now there's the hole. Make the hole a little bit bigger so that we can fit in.
That the straw can fit.
So we can fit in a funnel. Or we need to make it a little bit bigger so we can funnel it in. Let me just I'll just do it a second.
You hold it, I'll
hold
press the trigger.
You press the trigger.
Hasta la vista, baby!
That was pretty good. Now, let's just pour it in. Right in the funnel. Now we pour the chocolate milk.
I'm gonna get a bowl. You also need a bowl, ladies and gents.
Thank you, Raph. Oh, there it is. Whoa, there it is. Then we fit this. Oh, we're gonna make the hole a little bit bigger.
Give me the drill.
This won't work.
Raph is the perfect
There we go. Have a look there.
Just no.
Then, can we put the straw in? Can we
Yes. I'll put it in. I'm the master of straw fitting.
Just give it to
We're going to
me.
make the hole a little bit bigger to fit that big straw in.
I want to murder that bunny. Now for your halftime entertainment,
No.
the hanging of this bunny.
No, what? No.
I don't want to die. I have a wife and
Is that straw
children.
fitting?
I didn't commit the murder.
They can't see, no.
I don't think they can hear me.
There we go. There's the tail. Let's just chop it a little bit. Should we chop the tail off a bit?
Yep.
Can I have a try?
And there you have it. Show them the Easter bunny.
Easter bunny.
What a shake a tail fella.
That is good. You try.
Did we finish it off?
You can't, Dad.
I'm lactose intolerant. Look at
No,
that,
you
guys.
can try.
Just give it to me.
Oh,
Just give it to me.
no, have a try here.
No, I don't want to be in the video.
There you
Just
are.
give it to me. No. Oh, disgusting.
There you go. Make sure you get your parents to use the drill and make sure they clean the drill as well before they use it.
Good bummy.
Happy Easter, and it's kosher la Pesach. Yeah.